Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. We have a huge update from DJI to do with the Wireless 2 microphone and the Action 4. You can now link up the Wireless 2 microphone with the latest update on the DJI Action 4, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now let's start with how to turn on the pairing on the DJI Wireless Mic 2. Now if you don't know how to get your DJI Wireless 2 mic into the pairing mode, you simply just hit your power button until it turns on, and then just hold the linking button down for a couple of seconds until it starts to flash blue fast like that. Now that is in the linking zone for your DJI Wireless 2 microphone. Now let's connect it to the Action 4. All right, to get to the settings for linking your DJI Wireless 2 microphone to your Action 4, simply just scroll down, go to settings, scroll up until you see wireless mic link. So tap on here so you can learn how to link it. But as I said, simply just hold down the linking button until it starts flashing. And once it starts flashing fast, it's then going to link to your Action 4. And there you go, you have a wireless microphone connected to your Action 4. So let's swap over to that. You have successfully linked up your DJI Wireless 2 microphone to your Action 4 once you have updated your Action 4 to the newest firmware, which is v01.03.0710. If you've got your Action 4 on the latest firmware from the DJI Mimo app, then you can definitely connect your DJI Wireless 2 microphone with that 32-bit float and internal recording to your Action 4, and you're going to get great quality audio just like this. Well guys, that's it for me. Just a short and quick one to give you the information on this update. And until next time guys, I'm Colin from O'Colin, out.